Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Max. Today we are going to talk about the small design is how to improve the installation efficiency of the solar panel and the reduce cost. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to achieve. This is a new design of the Enerack. We named it ERK-EIC. Compared to traditional Enerack, the addition of spring and earthing plant enhance installation efficiency and reduce cost. If you want to see more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. See you next time.